day when Dinotti was forced to fight. The day when he realized that his life can be ended. Like 20 souls next to him sitting, he was wondering, will I survive this day? Will I suffer? What is gonna happen? And Dina just gave himself to the fate. He jumped. When he was flying, he was thinking, where's my dad, where's my mom? I miss them. Will they ever know that I was the greatest fighter of all this time? Or they're gonna think that I'm just a fucking gamer. I am the Dinotti and I'm flying from the sky. I'll find a way to survive. Then his story continues. He's still in the fight. He's running for his life. They keep put him down. They wanna put him down, but he's fighting. Fighting for the life. He crawls to the enemy, seeing him, trying to get the guy, and he sees him. He takes the position. He takes the shot. He shoots the guy. He kills him. He goes forward. And Dinotti knows that was easy kill. He knows the next time will not be so easy. So he has to crawl back, wait for the enemies. He doesn't know where the enemies are hiding. They can be everywhere. But he believes in himself. He goes, he makes the move. Slowly, trying not to provoke the enemy. He waits with the sniper, shooting the guy. The guy is hiding behind. He shoots him in the back. Somebody took his kill, but he knows there's one more. One more guy. He shoots again. He shoots. He misses. Down where he doesn't know what's gonna do. What he's gonna do. Is he gonna move? He's gonna shoot back. He's fighting for his life. He knows the guy spot him. He has to run, change the position. Going back to the house for the better view. Trying to find the perfect position to make a strike. Where is he? Is the enemy gone? Is the enemy still there? The pure silence is destroying his mind. There's 17 people left. The fight for the life continues. He's down. 6 people. The circle is going down. He's waiting behind his enemy, waiting to drop him. He's thinking cleverly. Will he survive this story or not? The heart is pounding like in a horny bitch. He's going slowly to make a move. Hopefully, they will not see him. The doors are closed. They can be everywhere. Again, the circle is going smaller and smaller. He drops the silence, waits for him. Path of one guy. He sees him. He takes the shot, but the shots don't land. He waits for him. Patiently. Patiently. He gets a shot from nowhere. He doesn't know what's going on. They have a fight. He's patching his wounds. He takes the move. He shoots the guy. The guy runs. He doesn't know what's going on. He's shooting, getting a guy down. That was the last fight. Him or the other guy. He needs to get in. He has one more chance. One more chance to kill the guy. And he dies!